So good day to you and welcome back to class. In our previous video, we've been able to talk about what social media content marketing is all about, and I'm sure you already understood perfectly what the social media marketing is all about. So before you get started working or before you get started posting, you still need to understand other things, because this online space requires understanding before you get started doing it. Now, we are going to be talking about the KLT factor in this particular training, and this is one of the most important things that you need to understand, because this KLT factor is the major reason why you want to be posting online. If you just continue to post without understanding the KLT factor, that simply means you can post from now to 20 years without getting any results, whereby somebody that first understood this particular skill before the person start posting, within few months of posting, the person will start seeing the desired result that the person is actually looking for. So now, before you start posting, you need to understand what this factor is all about. And in a simpler meaning, this KLT factor is just how people move from knowing you to buying from you. People are always moving from something to something before they can buy from you. Nobody will just see your content online and buy what you are selling online. They might have been seeing your content before, and then they will just decide that, oh, I've been seeing this woman, I think she's selling this particular thing, and they can now reach out to you and buy from you. People don't just quickly buy directly from you if they don't really know who you are, if they don't really like you, and if they don't really trust you. So when we talk about the KLT factor, the K simply means know, like, and trust. I have already explained this in my previous video, but in this particular video, I'm going to be buttressing more on how can you allow people to know you, how can you allow people to like you, and again, how can you allow people to trust you. And this is where majority of this on this online space, this is where they get tired, because a lot of people don't want to do what will make people to know them. Or let me say, some people usually do what allows people to know them, but the truth is they don't usually do what like them, and they do what allow people to trust them. And this is why a lot of people are confused. They'll be like, I've been posting online, I'm not seeing results. Whereas some people, they are even posting online to the fact that not hundreds of thousands of people are liking their posts. They are doing better than some people on this online space. So now, how do you create a content in a way to move somebody from knowing you to buying from you? That simply means that you need to understand how this KLT factor works. When you understand how this KLT factor works, then it will be easier for you to do the needful in order for you to get results. This online space is not a quick something. You need to build this thing on your social media page. You need to build it over time. But so far you know what you are building, then it is going to be easier for you to be able to achieve what you want to achieve. So now, this is how this particular KLT factor really works. Because if these three things is not inside somebody on this online space, they will never pay you. You will see a lot of people, they call them scammers. The reason why they call them scammers and they are not scammers is because they didn't have this KLT factor in that person. The person haven't gained everything. Okay, people to know you on this online space. Please, I want you to pay more attention to how you can allow people to know you on this online space. It is very, very simple, and it is very, very easy. It is only by one thing. By you posting consistently every single day. You remember, not posting anyhow, but posting intentionally. How are you going to be posting intentionally? When we get to the types of content that you can post based on what you offer, you will definitely understand how to post. But for you to be able to build your know, it is only when you post online that people will know you. A lot of people have gotten different skills online. Let's say graphic designing skills. Some people have gotten writing skills. Some people are into different businesses online, but they don't usually post consistently. You remember, you cannot post today and your post will reach 1,000 or 5,000 people online. No, your post, you can post today and only 5 people will see it in the whole internet. When you post tomorrow, then maybe 7 people will see it. When you post next tomorrow, maybe 100 people will see it. When you post next tomorrow, you remember, when you now continue to post like that, your horizon online is going to be broadened. Then people will start knowing you. I think I saw this post yesterday about this man that is selling palm oil. He's posting again today. They've already started recognizing you online. But think about it. If you did not post consistently, will they recognize you? So this is one of the reasons why, if you want people to know you on this online space, you need to continuously post online. That is for you to allow people to know you. When people started knowing you, that doesn't mean they will still buy from you. But what? They've actually gotten one part out of the factor that we allow them to buy from you. Now we move to the second factor. How are you going to be allowing people to like you? We also allow people to like you through your content, through what you are posting online. You remember, that is why I said it is not just for you to post. It is for you to post intentionally. Posting intentionally in the sense that you should know the reason why you are posting this particular content. Okay, I'm just posting this particular content because I want people to know me. Maybe you post something about your business or something about your skill or what you offer to the public. A lot of people will see it and they'll be like, oh, okay, so this boy is now into digital marketing now. Oh, he's now offering skill. They just know you. You don't tell them to buy from you. You just post a content for them to know you. And then how do you post a content that will allow people to like you? This is the type of content that you are going to be posting that is going to be relating to that specific set of people that you want them to patronize you, so that they can like what you are doing. Not specifically to buy from you now, but so that they can still like what you are doing. Let me give you a good scenario. Let's assume I am a painter and I sell paints, and I want people to buy my paints. Maybe I've been posting about my paints to allow people to know me. Maybe I've just been giving my location. I've been showing different type of paints. I've been posting posts for people to know me. Some people have known me, and I want to create content that will make people to like me. So I just go to my home one day, and then I saw my wall peeling because of the paint that I used before. Then I was now shouting, but I painted this thing last week now. Why is this my paint peeling every time? Oh, you remember that type of content? People that want to buy paint, or people that is related, or people that are related in buying paint, will start looking at your content that, and it's true, I think my own two paint too was peeling yesterday and I just painted that in. Then in that your video, you now recommend the best paint that they can actually use that will make their wall to stand for a long period of time without peeling. You see, a lot of people that actually watch that type of content, they are going to be feeling like, wow, oh, let me just save this content. I think I like this content. I think some people will even give it a like. Some people will save it because they feel like what you posted was related to something that they may be in need of later. So they will start liking you. Irrespective of anything you want to offer to the public, you need to create content that will make people to like you. If you don't create that type of content, they will still not like you. So creating that type of content is very, very important. And how can you create it? Just taking time, look at what you do, think very well, think deeply. Look at some other people's content that they are creating, content that people are liking that is related to their own niche. Then use that creativity to create some types of content that will allow people to also like you too. Nobody is going to be teaching you that this is the type of content you will do. Like, this is what you should do. People will only tell you, you need to think. You are the one that know what you are offering to the public. Then you can now think, imagine in yourself, think about, okay, let me create something like this. I think people will definitely like it because, do you understand it now? So that is how you are going to be creating content that will allow people to like you. You remember, people have been knowing you because you are creating content that makes them to know you, maybe information, giving them information about what you are doing, or maybe educating them about what you are doing. People have started knowing you. Now you started creating content that will allow people to like you, in the sense that you are creating relatable content, or content that people are enjoying based on what you are doing. Irrespective of what you are doing, you already create content that people are now relating with, that, oh, that is true. Oh, this is nice. That types of content will allow people to now start liking you. Now, the set type of content that you are going to be posting that will allow people to trust you. These are the content that build trust. How do you create this type of content? This is the type of content whereby maybe you show them proof of what people are saying about what you are offering. Very simple. When you check my social media page, you are definitely going to be seeing a lot of things that people are always saying about me. So this is one of the content that I usually post to build my own trust online. That you see, African Princess, they teach people. When it comes to teaching, God has given me the power to teach you. So this type of content, based on what you are offering to the public, now what people are saying about it, maybe you have sold to maybe your families or your friends and they enjoyed what you have sold to them. Maybe you are into liquid soap and then you sold that liquid soap to one of your maybe your friends some years back, or even yesterday or day before yesterday, and the person was like, oh, when I was using that liquid soap, you cannot imagine the way the foam was booming. You see, that statement is what we know as trust building content that you can use. You can post them on your social media page to allow other people that may be interested in what you do to trust you that, oh, what you do is something that is good. Or maybe you are into, or maybe you are a coach and you have the testimonials of your students that are doing well, maybe because of what you taught them. You gave them one knowledge and that knowledge has been making them money or making them do better on anything that you want them to do because they learned that thing from you. All those reviews, all those testimonials that they've given to you, those type of things, you don't need to keep them in your diary. You don't need to keep them in your phone. You need to show people online so that you can use that particular type of content to build trust. You remember, you cannot get this type of content when you are just starting as a beginner. It is continuous effort you do online. This online space is a gradual process. If you have not done some things, you may not get to some things. So that is why you need to keep moving. Like one of the posts that I posted last week, that clarity will not come if you are just standing and you are looking. Clarity will come when you take a step, when you move forward doing things consistently. Then you start realizing, okay, I think people are doing this, I think people are doing that, I think this is what people need. Then you start giving all your target audience what they want, and before you know it, you'd have built your know, you'd have built your like, you'd have built your trust on this online space. It takes a time to achieve it, but with consistency, you will definitely achieve it in no time. So this is one of the ways in which you can build your trust content. What are the type of content that you are going to be posting later? These are just the examples that I've given you in this video. When we get to the types of content that you can post, I guess in our stage 3 of this training, you should be able to understand all these things. But before you now start building all this type of content, or before you start posting content on this online space, the first thing you need to do is what we are going to be covering in our next class, which is how to build your social media in a professional way. If you did not build your social media in a professional way, believe me, it is not going to be easier for you to achieve all these things that you want to achieve. In my next video, I'm going to be explaining that for you practically and theoretically. I'll see you in my next video. I am African Prince RX. Bye for now.